Hello, this is Ali from Alta and James. Oh, blocked your face, James. But hey, we're gonna do a quick latch update on the swinger. We got a couple calls about these holes not lining up correctly, and we wanted to be able to simulate that here. So when you get the latch, it doesn't have that head on it, so you do have to screw that on and get the adjustment right. So go ahead, James, kind of explain what we were talking about, because right now the pin, like, you can't just stick the pin in, right? Yeah, so the pin is not gonna align or want to align even with the latch just barely on. See, so you got to make that latch a little tighter. And how you do that, you just basically screw it on. It's righty tighty, and once you put it on, and you got to play with this a little bit to get it, and you might have to adjust this as this thing kind of wears and tears and settles. So you can see that pin being pulled in, and then as you're pulling the latch, boom. Is that in? No, it's not in. So we got to make that even a little tighter, potentially. There you go. Now the pin's in. So yeah, you got to get the tightness on that latch exact, or this pin isn't going to align. That's the design of it, because there's pressure points all along here, 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 and here. So this is like contacting the pin on 4 spots with that latch, and then you have the positive pressure disc on the inside.